A young Aussie's reaction to her boyfriend's $80,000 car has gone viral after she was left shocked by its outdated features. Jolie Mitchell filmed a tour of her boyfriend's brand new Toyota LandCruiser in a TikTok video this week. POV getting in your BF's brand new $80K LandCruiser, she wrote. In the video, which has amassed over 1.2 million views, Ms. Mitchell showed off the car's features, including its wind-up windows and push locks. The car, which some online said was reminiscent of the 80s, also came with a center console, mirrorless visors, and cigarette lighter. "It's the wind-down windows for me," she captioned the video. Many online were just as surprised by the basic features of the car and its $80,000 price tag. "For that much you would think it has automatic windows," said one person. "I just don't get it, $80K plus for a 4x4, it's just overpriced," said another. "Welcome to 1975, read another comment. "I just don't get it, men fizz over them basic." However, others argued the LandCruiser's lack of electronic features was one reason it was so popular, with one person even labeling the car a dream.